So when you're up on Pikes Peak, you don't have signal to communicate with anybody. Well, on the way back down, I found out that Dan November had a suspension failure and hit a snowbank. And that's what's left of that wing that I just thrashed together. If you look at the Wings and Things videos, this is one of them that I was building. So now I get to fix it. So what we have here is the wing, the bottom element, the bottom half split, separated, broke. Pretty much the whole thing split. The main mount delaminated underneath there, which when I designed these things, I designed them to have failure points. That way it doesn't rip the car to pieces if you catch something. So it's worked for the most part. And then the second element just had a little crack right there. So I'm basically gonna just kind of glue that back together because all the structure is in the top element there, and that's fine. The top half, that's fine. So more or less gonna glue it back together straight, and then that's done. And then this is gonna be a little more involved. A couple different steps. Basically glue it back together, but add these little L brackets in the same fashion to the underside of that on both sides. That way it's all glued together and structurally supported, not relying on 100% glue. And then the wing will be fixed. So the second element I decided just to bond on the inside. Throw a bunch of epoxy on it and use a series of 2x4s and wheels to get the thing somewhat back straight. Again, this is not going to be a perfect repair. This is a repair to get through Pikes Peak. So it's hot, and this is done. It's hard, so I'm going to unbolt it and see if the darn thing stays in shape. Oh, it's sticky underneath. I'm going to flip it over. Here's the second element. It's actually pretty damn straight, so we're going to leave it alone. Now to fix the main element. Got half the wing fixed. I'm going to let this cure a little bit and then we'll fix the other half. Most of you guys will recognize that. Car and the driver. And then this crazy dude. He likes Cybex. Yeah, we have a good time here. So Will's here doing some shenanigans, prep work and all that. It's one big family. So there's the wing curing, glued back together. Now it's time for tacos.
Did you freak out when you said
Tacos.
Oh yeah, because I went from like 10 of each to 20 of each.
Oh yeah?
There's only 2 people there.
And you're like, surprise me, basically?
I told them to surprise me with the burritos.
Perfect.
Everything else is under control.
It's a lot of tacos. They're all watching climb dance. We got it together, mostly cured. Leaving stuff on because it's still a little soft. This end plate wasn't affected, so we just re-glued that one back on with new rivets. Second element's over here, done and ready. Actually got some damn stickers made, so that'll be on there. And there it is done. Devin's my model. It's freaking square. I can't believe it's actually back together. So there we go. Now I'm gonna go drop this off to Dan and go to bed.
Morning. And
So
12 hours later.
I'm just doing a video.
Oh, gotcha.
So yeah, Dan and the whole crew. Hi.
Hey.
They've been working on this thing all day. It's connected again. There's wheels again. So it's awesome. They were actually ready for the wing. So now it all goes together. Okay. Well, next stop's what are we? Middle section tomorrow?
We're bottom.
Oh yeah, we're different classes. That's right. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we're. So they go to the bottom and qualify.